Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to Excel Printout Easy Guide. Open the workbook, pick the sheet, and start with page layout to set orientation and margins. Adjust scaling to fit columns on one page or a few pages, then preview to confirm headers and footers look right. Use print titles for repeating row headers and check print areas to avoid printing hidden sections. In this video, I will explain how to Excel Printout Easy Guide. Go to Page Setup and set orientation, paper size, and margins for a clean layout. Use scaling like Fit Sheet on one page or adjust to 100% to control size, and define print area to exclude extras. Add headers and footers for titles and page numbers, then use Print Preview to verify everything looks crisp and aligned. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes reading long tutorials and manuals much easier during breaks, with a glare-free screen and long battery life. I find it perfect for reviewing guides away from my desk. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you want more recommendations, let me know. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to Excel Printout Easy Guide. Format cells so numbers and text fit neatly, apply wrap text or shrink to fit where needed, and use consistent fonts for clarity. Turn on grid lines when helpful or add borders selectively to highlight sections, and use conditional formatting sparingly to avoid ink overload. Finally, preview and fine-tune until the printed page matches your intent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.